Welcome. In front of me is ASUS VivoBook Go, and in this video I will show you how to put your device on a lock screen. So the simplest way to do that is to open the start menu, then go to power options and select lock. But if you want to do this in a more convenient way, then you can also use a keyboard, and I'm gonna show you this method in a while. So on a keyboard you simply have to use a shortcut of Windows and L buttons at the same time, and this will also put your device on a lock screen. So you can pick the most convenient way for you, and I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.